There's my new shower head. Now, it fit on the old one, but I don't like it. So, this is the one that came with it, and it's much better. I wish I had my hands free, but anyway, see how it's on a ball? So, I'm going to install it with the 3M tape. Wish me luck. Not that I'm, well, I am. I'm not real good mechanically and all that, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm a good crafter, so check back in a minute. I did it. There it is. And you can swivel it. Should be just right. Yeah. Exciting. It is the small things in life, isn't it? This is my brightest room. It's got the skylight and the vent. That's what you're supposed to do, right? Here's a picture of my husband when I first met him. Yeah, he was cute. Okay, well, that's done. I have one of those pocket things. That's a good thing, by the way. If you want to hang a bunch of stuff up in there, it's much easier. And then you got the dials, which I don't know. Ooh. Yeah, this is great. I'm happy. It's working. Yay. Hi, YouTubers. RV Debs here. Good morning. Well, actually, it's just a couple minutes before noon, Tuesday. It is still raining, but it's not quite as bad as it was yesterday. The wind has died down, but it's just raining. It was really nice a couple hours ago. I mean, not really real nice, but it was okay. Oh, Lily. Says, I want some kisses, Mommy. Thank you. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, and I love you too. Thank you, honey. Come here, see Mama. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on and see Mama. Oh, she's such a pretty girl too. She's my spooky girl, because our birthdays are both on Halloween. Ah, Rosie's here too. Oh my God. Rosie almost dumped my coffee with her rambunctiousness. Okay, Lily, thanks for the kisses. Say hi, everybody. I'm in a sweet mood. Okay, so today, I have laundry to do, which I'm getting together. I got my shower now all hooked up. Looks like it's going to be really awesome compared to what it was. And, what else? I am having a therapeutic massage Thursday. I wish it was today. But I am feeling a lot better. This is my left arm, and look, I can do it. Put my hair up today. There's still some work to be done. That's why I think the massage will help a lot, because it's kinked up a little right here. But man, compared to the pain that I was in, I'm happy. I'm happy. The pain's gone. I mean, it's a little discomfort, but, you know, that's normal things in life. Not, you know, crucial, mind-blowing pain that makes you want to chew off someone's head or your own. So today, as you probably can see in my face, I'm happy. What else? Let's see. So I've got my new shower in. I'm going to go do laundry. This place is pretty much messy because for the last week, really, just about, I haven't done that much. So I'm going to sweep it out, and the couch looks like, well, it's got like 3 blankets all mushed together that Rosie goes and she makes like a tunnel and you don't even know she's there. And with the leak that I had to move everything off of that area. So yeah, things are a little messy. But this kind of rain, it doesn't leak. But if it rains really heavy, I bet it will start again. Thank God it was a small leak, because it didn't even really fill the bottom of the pan. But we'll fix it. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow in the next few days, so then it'll dry and I can get somebody up there, probably Bill, and let me know what my roof looks like. I wish I was younger. If I was in my 30s, probably even in my 40s, I would have gotten a ladder and looked up there by now myself. But, you know, when you hit your 60s, you don't want to break your hips. You know, you really don't. So I'm taking, and I can't. I just couldn't do it. But that's okay. I think all things have a way of working out, don't you? They do. What are you doing, Rosie? I wish that you could see her. She's got such a face. That little rose face. They both are little pills. Took them out this morning. They were happy. They were real happy that it wasn't raining. High five. Thank you. So that's it. Lower Alabama, LA. I was from Los Angeles, California, LA. And I always called even in Florida, living all the years I lived in Florida, I still called myself an LA woman. And now I'm still an LA woman, Lower Alabama. Yay. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to do some work around the house. Come on up, Rosie. Can you jump? Come on up. Oh, wow, look who's here. Come here. Come up here. Come on. Jump. Jump up. And kiss. Everybody say hello. Hi, everybody. My name's Rosie, and I'm the big girl. I'm the big girl. I think they're all they're both happy to see me healthy. Because I think they were down too. You know, when I'm down, they just were like moping around. I'm at the other side looking out, which is really a better angle because I see the whole campground, you know. But the TV's behind me, so it doesn't really work all the time. Have a beautiful day. Peace out, my friends. They're having a Halloween party, potluck dinner Saturday on my birthday, so it'll be a really fun time for me. And I'm just going to show you just one of the things that Judy just pulled out yesterday. I can just imagine how cool it's going to look on Saturday. So I'm going to end the video with a mummy.
Yeah, it's send it to you.
Oh my God. Will he talk without touching him?
It's a sensor. It's got to have somebody walk in front of him. It's where his belly button is. That's it.
He's great.
We got more stuff.
Wow. We're going to have a Halloween party. Woo.
Put it outside, but I don't want to put it out until
Yeah, this is where we hang out. This is the clubhouse.